Welcome to all. Next session, what I am going to do is I need to color this mustache in a black color. Nowadays, some gray colors are there. So I'm going to select the brush. You can select, check the settings 59 point, and it is a round soft brush and normal. Opacity is 62%, flow is 41%, smoothing is 97%. So what I am going to do, I am just I'm creating a new layer. Then I am pasting here. I'm just clicking. So now you can see the effect, how it's look like. And double click and zoom it. And little bit how the mustache is look like an earlier one and now you know. Okay, then you can, if you want some, you can reduce little bit opacity for a natural look. Now it's okay. I'm going another layer. Okay, so another layer, I'm going to do the same thing with this hair area. Same brush. Here just I'm clicking, I'm not brushing. Again, I'm coming to the right side. Okay, control zero. How is look like? I think here it is little bit problem we need to do when very cautiously when I am reducing the opacity. Okay, now it is not easy to identify that. Now I am closing these two. See what is the difference. Now what I am going, I am merging these two layer because we are done on that area. Another one I am what I am going to do here, I am just selecting this area. I don't want to remove these patches. So what I am going to do here, I am selecting this eyedropper tool. Eyedropper will pick the colors. So I want an average of 31 to 31 pixel average it will take. So this color you can see that. Then what I am saying, I am selecting the brush tool, one more layer. I am changing to this, we can change to hair. This I am going to change it here. You can increase the size and quickly we can do that. Lot of other ways you can do this, but I'm also showing you one simple way. You need to take a lot of time to do this, but I am very quickly I'm doing, but precisely now you can reduce opacity. Now you double click and see that the skin is far better than last. Again, the same thing you can do the neck area. Go to the next layer, then take the brush, same color, everything is available. But I am reducing the layer. And again, you can, if you don't like this, you can remove it here. Pick the nearest color from here, again from here. So you need to go to this layer, pick the color from there. Again, you can take the brush tool, go another layer. So this is better than the last one. Then reduce the opacity a little bit. Okay, again here also you can do the same process. Eyedropper tool, take this, again go to another layer. Better to do the layer name, then you can easily edit it. There is a patch is there. I am also removing that patch. What you can do, reduce opacity. I'm doing some speed way, but when you are doing this very slow, you can do that. Now you can see the photographs how it's look like. Okay, what is the photographs was earlier? I'm just merging all the adjustments in one layer. See, can you see the changes? It's I can do more on this. Perfectly you can do. This is a way brush tool, you can use it here. Blur tool, other dodge tool, everything you can use it. One way you can easily fix this issue like this. Thank you for watching. Please, I will upload the same image. You can also work on this.